If you want to surprise your friends sending stylish text, or you want to write a stylish post any social media such WhatsApp, Messenger or Facebook, this video will guide you enough. So I'm gonna show you right now how to send a stylish text on WhatsApp, Messenger or Facebook. So let's jump into there. For sending a stylish text, you need to install a app. So just go to Play Store, and you will see here this is my Play Store. So tap on Play Store, it's okay, and you will see here search for apps, an option. So tap on the app name. The app name is stylish text. We got it, the first one, stylish text. My text is already installed, so if you haven't installed yet, just install it. So after installing the app, just tap on open. Then you will see such kind of interface, that is welcome to stylish text, and swipe at the left, then swipe at the left and tap on arrow button, and you will get here that is floating bubble and bar. So tap on it. Next one is this import option, tap on it. Next one is favorite style, tap on it. Next one is unlock style here, so tap on it. Right now this is the interface of stylish app. And first of all, you will get here, type here, I mean which text you're gonna typing, such as I'm gonna type here, that is how are you. I just typed here how are you, and you will see a number of style here, a number of style, and scroll down, and you will see there is 50, 55, OMG, a lot of here. Wow. So just select from here that which one you like. Suppose I like that one. Yes, how are you, I like that one, I want to use it. So what you will do, for copying, you will see this option here, that one. So tap on for copying, and you will see here copy it. In this side you will see here that is copied. I'm gonna copying it again, that is just tap on copy. You will get here that is copied, your text already copied. And next one, if you don't want to copy it, you want to share it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Messenger, just tap on that is share option. You will see here that is share option, so tap on share option. I'm going to tap on it. So you will see a number of option where you want to send it, that is Messenger or Gmail. So I'm gonna send it on Messenger, and yes, this is my Messenger message list. So I'm gonna send it my friend. Yes, tap on send, just here tap on send to send someone, that is I send to this person. Now I'm gonna see that is it working or not. So tap on back button. Wow, and you see here that is the stylish text that I wrote here, how are you. You'll see here. So you can text your friend their way, as well as I'm going to show you that is you can also text stylish number. Here you get this number, I mean just I'm gonna write here 589, and you'll see a number of style, that is 5899, 5899, 5899. So just copying it which you want to use. Suppose I'm gonna use it, so tap on it and tap on for copy button. And if you like something most, you can tap on, that is it's your favorite, and you can tap on, that is favorite button. Here you see there is love. I just selected one, love button. Also you'll see another option is phone icon. You'll see has in every side phone icon. Phone icon refers to WhatsApp, that is you can also share it on your WhatsApp. Okay, so if you want to share it WhatsApp, you can do also. So that was the stylish text. You can text here any kind of stylish text to your friend and to others. So thank you so much for watching.